Welcome to the day 4 of learning Java through project. In this, we are making one service controller, one service and then one controller. Okay. In service, we have student service and teacher service, and in controller we have student controller and teacher controller. This service is used uh, interacts between this middle repository and controller. Okay. This acts as a middle person, okay, which brings the data from the database and give it to the controller. This is the main person, and it acts as a business logic, everything we write over here. Okay, student service. So what we can see here, I have make one classes student service, and this act as a service controller. Okay, and here I have one default constructor. Okay, this is constructor injection. Okay, how we can do that? You can just simply do here and generate constructor. Okay, in this way I can do this, and then I have return here a list of student from the database, get all student, and this is the method provided by Hibernate. Okay, I don't need to take care of this, it is all done by Hibernate. Okay, and in this teacher also I have this constructor injection, and then I have made a I have retrieved a list of teacher. How? By running this method. Okay, get all teacher. It will gives a list of teachers, and this upon how it is called? It is called through a controller. Here controller, I have done the same constructor injection, and then here it is calling. Okay, in controller also we have one REST controller and one is request mapping, and REST controller is used in case of RESTful API, which gives response body as well as controller both. Okay, if we go over here, we can see here controller as well as response body both are here. Okay, this is one of the important question that may come in interview. And in case of teacher also it is similar. I have made one REST controller, and then this is the request mapping. It contains a list of mapping like get mapping, post mapping, put mapping, but now I'm using only get mapping. Okay, to get the data from the database. So these are the two package I have created, and what I've done next, I have to run the postman. Okay, here I can see all the data. Okay, and if I run this, I can get a list of student. For this, what we have to do, we have to name the project name and then two module name or folder name, and then what I have to do next, I have to make one get mapping request name, and then teacher also this request name. Okay, it should be meaningful. Okay, so that other developer will also understand your code. So this is how I have done, and to push into the GitHub what I have done, just check whether it is pointing to the same repo or not. If it is pointing, that add it and then commit it. Okay, this message, commit message, and then push it into the GitHub. So this is how I have done, and you can do this also. Thank you for watching.